Hey, welcome to this video. Hope you are having a good day. In this video, what we're going to do is look at how I painted this mountain scene. For it, I used reference photo that I got from Unsplash. I will leave a link in the description below so that you can also have a look at it and even paint along if you are feeling like it. But yes, what I liked about this is that the image is divided in three layers. I would say the background, this middle ground to the right, and then this black foreground. For me, it looked really simple and minimalistic and something that I wanted to approach and just do this sketch with acrylics. So as you saw, I started with a light pencil sketch. For it, I think I went a bit more detailed than I needed to go, because as you will see further on, I will anyways paint over this sketch of these far mountains and those three big shapes that we see, those far mountains, middle ground and foreground. If I painted with or sketch with pencil those big shapes, that would be enough, and then afterwards with acrylics I could add those details. But that's, you know, we live and we learn, so to say. So, but yes, materials that I'm using here, maybe a bit about that. So I'm using Gessoed paper. This is simple pulp paper, and I've added gesso, white gesso on top of it, like having this this kind of approach to at least to sketches. Of course, if I'm doing real or not real, if I'm doing paintings, that I like to use canvases or even watercolor paper for acrylics. But for these sketches, I found that I really like to use this paper with applied gesso on top of it. Also, I like the flatness that this paper gives me, so yes, this is the choice for me. Yeah, so pigments that I'm using here, maybe I will list them also below in the description, but briefly I can tell you that for blue I'm using PB15, which is phthalo blue. For green, PG7. Also have a yellow pigment there, PY184, PBK7, which is black pigment, and of course PW6, which is white pigment that I'm using here. Okay, as you can see right now, I've added the first layer for the background for these mountains, but I found that they are too sort of high in value, and I would like to lower the value to give it this hazy look, and also to push this layer further in the background. That's why I'm coming in here and then painting over the layer that I had previously there. So yes, even if I didn't bother with that initial pencil sketch or that bit more detailed pencil sketch, I could have just added acrylic layer on top of it. But maybe that is also some notes for you to keep in mind. Okay, some lesson notes for me and for you on this sketch. So some things I would like to do differently. First of all is have that background layer a bit more lighter and with bit of a less contrast to it, to push it even further back into the background. So that is my sort of lesson note to learn from, but overall I like it. And what I really like about it is the attention to the background mountains that this painting gives, because the foreground and the middle ground does not have a lot of detail, and it sort of is without character, if you can say so. But these far back mountains are, I think, what stands out in this sketch, and I really like it, and I think I'm gonna incorporate some of this approach into maybe even a final painting of mine. Okay, here what I wanted to do is make this this painting a bit more interesting for me, and I felt that I wanted to add these clouds, these light white clouds there that isn't in the reference photo, as you can obviously see. Yes, but as you will see here, I'm adding my signature, but later on I decided that okay, this cloud below that you can see here, I didn't quite like how it fitted into this sketch. So what I did is came back to this and painted over it to hide it basically. Hey, okay, so this will be it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and also kept some lesson notes for yourself. So thank you and hope to see you in the next videos. Bye.